My name is Kiran, now in social media more popularly known as Tyre Guru. I'm in this industry for almost 30 plus years, worked with major companies like Michelin, Seat, has got domestic as well as international exposure in tire trade. But one thing I've noticed in my 30 years of tire retailing, wherever I travel, wherever I worked, it's always the tire brands keep changing. Like in Middle East, a few brands are more popular. You travel to Southeast, some of the tire brands are more popular. You travel to China, it's a different story. You go to Europe, it's a different brand. But there is one common factor in all these countries is one single brand, which is Honda. This is not a promotional video. I mean, this comes from the bottom of my heart. One brand, if I can always say that is always associated, irrespective of whichever country you are, is Honda from USA. Honda, as you all know, is a tire-related equipment manufacturer. They make alignment, balancer, tire changer, and many more in their range. But I would like to talk about the aligner, the balancer, which is installed in my store almost 16 years now. It is DSP 9200, which is installed in my store almost 16 years back. And friends, I'm still using the same balancer at the same store. And my store is 24/7, 7 days a week, and it's pretty crowded. And with one balancer continuously for the last 12 years with no breakdowns. I don't think I mean, I ever remember there's a breakdown on that balancer. Some major minor maintenance, which is well taken care by Madhus, the Honda distributor. Honda is lucky in a way that they got the best professionally run, very well service oriented distributor in India. It's a win-win. It's a perfect combination for Honda, which is a fantastic product, and getting associated with Madhus, who believes in service to its extremes. So my connection with Madhus again is almost 30 years or 25 years. There are a lot of brands available in the market. Honda is slightly expensive. You all say that Honda is expensive, but Honda is not expensive if you look at the complete package of it, the complete service they provide. Because if you go to the real micro minute factors, and if you consider the facilities, the software they use, and if you make use of all those features, I'm sure there is no brand which is comparable to Honda in tire equipment and related services. Honda Road Force we have right now in one of our stores. We have Honda Aligner Elite, and we have 2-3 locations. We have Honda tire changes as well. My 6th or 7th store will be coming up in the next few months. And all these places we have signed with Honda, and that shows, though, I mean, I'm telling you, that's my probably 30th year in the industry. I'm not able to find a competitor for Honda and for Madhus. Thank you, Madhus. Thank you, Honda.